All right, good day, students. How's everybody doing? Hey, look, if you look on your Google Classroom, this is Miss Brewer's class. All right, so on the error analysis, you're going to click on this link, and that's going to take you here. All right, so let's talk about error analysis right now. I like starting off with the learn with an example. Okay, so which number line shows the numbers that are greater than 2? So let's keep in mind when we're looking at number lines, things that go this direction go greater. All right. So in this direction is greater. And in this direction is lesser. So it's the greater than section. This is the lesser than section. Greater than, lesser than, okay? So which number line shows the numbers that are greater than 2? Well, here's 2. And this circle, whenever you see a circle that looks like that, that circle is telling you that it's going to be open circle. An open circle does not include the number 2 or whatever number it is. It does not include that number. So I see an open circle when I look here. I see an open circle. And I see an open circle here. Okay. And so the question is, which number line shows the numbers that are greater than 2? Well, this one definitely does. And this one actually does too, because this says greater than. So that's okay. So let's see what they have. Look at the first one. Does not include the number 2, so it has to be greater. So the answer, open circle on it, equality does not include the number 3. Look, the truth is, both of these say greater than 2, but this top one is the better answer because it starts with the 2. Both of them show numbers that are greater than 2, both of them. But this is the better answer. So you're always going to look for the best answer, okay? You're always going to look for the best answer. All right. So let's clear the screen. And now let's go take care of some of these problems. You're going to get points for these. So remember the way we just looked at it. Even in a situation where both of them are right, you're going to look for the better answer. Okay. So which number line shows the numbers that are greater than 4? Okay. Okay, which number line shows the numbers that are greater than 4? Well, we talked already. And we said earlier that going in this direction is greater, right? And going in this direction is lesser than. So if we're looking for something that's greater than 4, this is the greater direction. This is the lesser direction. So if we're looking for greater, we have to go this way. So our answer is going to be, we're going to choose this one, I'm going to highlight it. You see how I highlighted that by clicking on it? So I'll click that one and I'll click this one. See, I highlighted that. So now I can choose my answer. That's right. Good, 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 good. Okay, so let me put this at the bottom. All right, so here's the next problem. Which inequality does this number line show? Oh, so look, I'm seeing that I have a darkened circle, right? Now, what's the difference between a darkened circle and an open circle? Okay, well, a darkened circle is going to be greater than or equal to. I spelled equal wrong. EQUAL, equal to. Okay, so that's going to be the darker circle. And an open circle, open circle, this is a closed circle, this is an open circle. That's going to be greater than, simply greater than. It actually could be less than as well. So this could be less than or equal to, this could be greater than or less than. All right, but if we look back at our problem, the problem asks, which inequality does this number line show? So this is a darkened circle. So it's going to be greater than or equal to. It's a darkened circle. So greater than or equal to 7. Well, it starts at 7. It's a darkened circle. I mean, would it be greater than or equal to 6? No, it's not even touching 6. Greater than 6? It's not touching 6. Less than or equal to 7? Would it be less than or equal to 7? No, it couldn't be less than or equal to 7. It couldn't be less than, because less than goes in that direction, right? Less than goes in this direction. So it can't be less than. So the only best answer is going to be that one. So I highlighted the answer by clicking it. I'm going to hit submit, and I got it. All right, actually you got it. And so I just helped you with the first two. I'll help you with one more. Uno más. All right. All right, let's do one more. Uno más. Which number line shows the numbers that are greater than or equal to 3? Greater than or equal to 3. Okay, so if I look at my options, all right, I look at my options. This one here, it starts at 3. It's a darkened circle, which means greater than or equal to. So that's a good option. Let's look at this option. This option starts at 2. Well, it can't be greater than or equal to 3 if it starts at 2. So in honesty, this one is not one that we're going to work with. This one is whack. We're only going to go with the top one. So we're going to highlight it and answer. Fantastico. Beautiful. Okay, so that's how you solve those problems on IXL 8.23, inequalities with number lines. On your algebra, it's going to be error analysis. And the reason we call it error analysis is it helps you analyze where the error or the problem is. Now, I make a lot of errors. I'm a problem. Big problem. So error analysis is great. So if looks like we have one student who's turned it in and 15 students who assigned it. So knock that assignment out. Do well. We're looking forward to seeing your great answer. So do well, okay?